After a long relationship ends, it can feel like you've forgotten how to be you. Sarah, who recently separated from her partner, writes to me. She's a bit scared to go out alone and she doesn't know where to start. In this episode, I'll talk about how you can start to rebuild your independence with 3 steps to help build your self-confidence and get out there alone for you and live your best life. Welcome back to A Ticket for One, a series where I talk about building self-confidence and self-trust, helping you to live your best life for you. If you're new here, I'm Linda, solo traveler, avid explorer, and travel vlogger. I talk to people every day about building self-confidence and self-trust and doing things solo so they don't have to miss out and they can live their best life for them. Now I'm sharing it with you. I'm sharing a message that I received from Sarah. It reads, "Dear Linda, I recently separated from my partner. For years, we did everything together outside of work. And now that I'm on my own, I feel completely lost. I'm scared to go out on weekends or evenings by myself. Most of my friends are busy with their own families and lives. So I usually just go to work, come straight home. I'm not ready to start dating again, but I do want to start living again. Maybe even take a holiday one day. I just don't know where to start. Sarah." Thanks for reaching out to me, Sarah. It's new beginnings for you. What you're feeling is completely normal. You've been a part of a couple for a long time. It's not just the person you miss, it's the together things. It's the life you built together. It's the routines, the weekends, all the little things that made up your day and your weekends, your evenings. Suddenly you're on your own and it feels a bit strange, a bit empty. Maybe it even feels a little bit scary. You've got this. You'll get through it. It's tough. It's tough. I know. I've been there. And it's tough for a while. And the new self-discovery journey is worth it. This is an opportunity to rediscover yourself and get out there and do things for you. Those things you've always wanted to do, or those things you've been missing out on. Take this as an opportunity to live a better life. Here are 3 steps to start building your self-confidence and getting out there solo. Step 1 is mindset. This is where it all begins. Mindset is everything. Make a decision, decide that you can do things alone. You don't need to have it all figured out just yet, but make a decision that it is possible. Adopt a growth mindset, meaning believing in yourself, believing you can learn new skills, including how to feel confidence in your own company, with yourself, alone. This isn't about forcing yourself to be brave overnight. It's not just going to happen overnight like that. It's about believing with practice you can grow and you can build self-confidence skills and self-trust. Decide to identify as someone who is single. You are now. Accept that and decide. Decide to identify as someone who is single and strong and capable and independent and free. Decide that you are someone who can do things alone. Decide to be someone who has self-confidence and listens to their own gut and intuition and trusts themselves and their own decisions. Decide that you can build new skills. Whatever you focus on, you will feel, whether it's true or not. If you focus on fear and I can't, then you will feel that. Focus on confidence and I can, and you will feel better already. Focus on seeing yourself confidently doing things on your own. Focus on seeing yourself leveling up your freedom and enjoyment of life and the things you like to do. Step 2 is action, small steps to new places. Take action. Start gently expanding your world. Go for a walk in a different part of town or that neighborhood you haven't been to before. Or even if it's just 2 blocks over, just take a walk in some new streets or start driving your car through new neighborhoods. Visit a park or a shop you've never been to before. You know that new shopping center you've never been to? Go there, go have a look. It doesn't need to be a big deal. The goal is to just practice going somewhere new on your own. Small steps. Each time you do it, you will be building more confidence, bit by bit. Take action and repeat. Keep doing this until you start to feel more comfortable on your own, in your own space. As you repeat the actions, the anxiety reduces, you can manage it better. You can manage yourself better. And you build up a self-trust. You trust yourself to make decisions for yourself, trust your intuition, trust yourself to be in new places. Having self-trust and trusting yourself helps build your confidence as well. Build some street smarts. Being street smart means developing a strong sense of awareness, observation, and intuition to navigate everyday situations safely and effectively. It's about being observant of your surroundings around you. It's about understanding people's behavior and making smart decisions without relying on formal knowledge and information. Observe your environment, the buildings, the surroundings, the people. Observe what's going on around you. Read body language from people. Read the cues. Heighten your awareness and learn to trust your gut, your intuition. And if something feels a bit off or not quite safe, cross the road or just walk away. And when you're out there getting yourself to new places on your own, track the wins. Write it down. Write it down. Focus on what you're winning and achieving and learning and building self-confidence with. Big tick to you. Step 3, dine solo. When you can dine alone, you can eat anywhere in the world. You're unstoppable. It's very empowering. Take yourself to a cafe. Don't get takeaway. Grab a seat, dine in, sit down and enjoy. Order a coffee or a sweet treat or a cake or a meal and sit down and stay. Bring a book or a journal if it helps. That first time might feel a bit awkward. It will. It actually will. It probably will feel a bit awkward for you and a bit strange. You'll feel a bit uncomfortable, but sit with it. And after a few times, it will get easier and easier. You'll actually start to enjoy your own company. You'll enjoy the fact that no one's rushing you. No one wants to share your cake. And you can take as long as you want and eat whatever you want at a time that suits you. While you're sitting there, observe what's going on around you. It will take your focus away from your own anxieties and out into the environment. Listen to the music playing, watch the barista, watch the staff, watch other people dining. Look out the window, see what's going on down the street. Enjoy your coffee, the taste, the smell. And enjoy your food, every mouthful of it. Remind yourself to breathe. You're building confidence. You've got this. Celebrate the wins and do it again next week with more confidence. There you are, 3 steps to get started. Decide to change, take action and practice. Action and repetition are essential for building new skills and building self-confidence. Once you start doing these little things, your world will open up again. You will be free to do whatever lights you up. You'll start to see possibilities and opportunities where before there was just a lot of fear. And one day soon you'll look back and realize you've gone from fear of going out to planning that solo travel trip you've always wanted to do. Sometimes the life we planned falls apart, not to break us, but to drive us to something new and better, to make space for those new opportunities and the version of ourselves that we haven't met yet. Being alone and solo is not about being lonely. It's an opportunity to get to know yourself really, really well. It's about being free to do what you want, when you want, where you want, how you want, for you. It's an opportunity to start living that best life for you. So here's a little challenge for you all out there. Try it, even if it's just 30 minutes, half an hour, an afternoon. Go somewhere new on your own solo. Something you would really like to do. Something that you've been missing out on because of other people. Take responsibility, take action. What's that going to look like for you? Are you going out for coffee and cake or a meal on your own? Are you going to go see a movie that you really, really want to see? Are you going to take a walk in that new park, check out that new shopping centre? Or are you going to see an art exhibition that no one else wants to join you in? Whatever it is, make time for you. Do it for you. Going solo isn't about being lonely, it's about the freedom. It's about giving yourself the freedom to fully enjoy what lights you up, what makes you happy, what you love. Don't miss out because they're not available. Go solo. Inspired by Mel Robbins' Let Them theory. Let them go, let them be busy, and let me take myself out and do what I want to do for me and live my best life. Hit that like button and subscribe so you can find me again. Wherever you're watching or listening to this, bookmark me and I'll catch you in the next episode. You've got this. Go solo. Enjoy the journey.